Arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper grille surround 1 chrome texture 1 black wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches cast aluminum painted bright front bumper, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front center seat cushion storage 3 rear seat head restraints, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, engine, 5.7 L V8 Hemi MDS VVT included, active noise control system 180 amp alternator heavy duty engine cooling Hemi batch 600W engine cooling fan gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds 26-gallon fuel tank, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, Tradesman level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio carpet floor covering.